draw a very easy translucent flower. I'm using two colors, dark pink and purple. With a flat brush, drag the color into a petal. My brush is too big as I don't have a smaller one, but it still works. I do the same for the second petal. I think I'll have only 4. Feel free to rotate your paper as you draw. This is very meditative kind of drawing. Love watching the colors flow into each other. Experiment with the brush movement. You can get completely different look. I don't wait for previous petal to dry as it's already dry. If you had too much water, it's better to wait for previous petal to be dry if you want the transparent effect. Now I will add some dark blue points to accentuate the middle of the flower. I switched to my small pointy brush. I feel like adding a bit of a contour as well. Just very thin lines. With a bigger brush, I will soften the points in the middle. I have only water on my brush and no color. When everything is completely dry, let's add some little dots in the middle and very thin lines on the petals. For this, I'm using a permanent marker. As a final step, I love adding some splashes, using same colors as for the flower. And here's the final result. Hope you enjoyed it.